Welcome back to the channel. Now I'm out in the garage. I have driven out the Land Cruiser after I was changing the turbo controller unit. I didn't get anything to work. It's the same problems. So I just have to start looking for some electric or arrows or something. But my garage is too small. You can't sit in here working and trying to open doors and things and go around and check. It's just can't do it. It's too small. So it's driven out. Now I'm just trying to drive the Soarer in. I was supposed to take this one to a Japanese car show, but it started to make some problems for me. So I ended up just staying home. Sad to say, but it's like that. So now I just have to put in the floor mats again. I have cleaned up some other shit. This is the Soarer, the right nuts, very thick ones for the car. So that one have to go in, and first I have to blow a little from the trees. Do that first. Yeah, they're made specially for this. I haven't been able to clean them completely. You see here. It's to flash off red light if you have problems. It's normal in Japan. Yeah. Things are in as they're supposed to. Let's check something else. Because this one is driving, going back here. Now because it's standing so high up, the car is forward, but it's supposed to be some shock absorbers in the back here. That is supposed to keep this in its place. Then the shit fall down in my head. But those shock absorbers are not working. Going down here. So one on each side, one there and one on the other side. I have ordered two new ones, so that's going to come in. So yeah, so this one is going forward. Just have to try to get it in now without ruining more on this one. I also ordered some, sorry about all the noise. I also ordered oil filter and air filter to the engine. I was also looking for a coupe inside the clean air filter for the coupe, but I couldn't find that at the same places. I found it on some other places for a very high price for the problem. Shipping from some places to Norway is that the transportation to Norway is very expensive from some places. So I just had to try to find out about that. Now I just parking it in. And then we can just go and say hello to the Land Cruiser. I just throw it out from the garage. To more or less the only thing I think I have to change is something with a light bulb in the back. Maybe some wrong not voltage but wattage on some of the light bulbs, so it come up with indicating that something wrong. And I have to fix the washer fluid pump that is not working. And I have to get the Camry to air control, I have to get the Outlander to air control, I have to fix some of the other cars, I have to, many things. Many things that's coming up after a while. Going to maybe pick up one of the other cars, put it in the garage for the winter, to fix something there. Yeah, but please come back, please put a like, and please subscribe to the channel. For the Land Cruiser is more than 100 videos now, and yeah, if people would like it, I'm going to make an English version on just telling about the Soarer and the history around that one, because it was a long, painful story. So yeah, please come back.